Hey everybody, it's Vitali here at OG Gamer, Red Barn Productions, Firestorm Records, and I'm back. And we're going to talk again today about the NVIDIA RTXVoice app. And I've been involved in a lot of conversations over on social media, and some people are saying that all the demonstrations they're hearing is it's real thin and tinny and stuff. And I'm not finding that to be the case. And I've been checking on my cell phone, my laptop, my main production PC, which uses 8-inch studio monitors. And over there, it just sounds amazing, especially with this mic setup. And so I don't know what they're listening on, but I'm not finding that to be the case if it's a good quality demonstration. Uh, I have found a few things of note. One, uh, it, it doesn't matter if you're using an RTX or GTX card, there's going to be a GPU hit if you're using that app. Uh, on the RTX, it's not so bad, 10, 11%. Even on my dual quattro setup, it's less than 10%. And here on my GTX, and this is a GTX 970M in my laptop, I'm seeing at worst a 15% hit. And that's perfectly acceptable and for what I'm doing, creating content for YouTube and Facebook and Twitter and all that. Now, if I was gaming, it would depend on the game as to whether I'd want to use that or not, and that's up to y'all to figure that out. But there is a bit of a performance hit. Some other things that I've noticed: if you have it set up here in the NVIDIA RTXVoice app and you have it enabled, and you're using XSplit or OBS or Live Stream Studio or the streaming software of your choice. Let me bring this up so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm using XSplit's PTR. I'm using all the nothing but beta software today. But say you're in XSplit or whatever, and you'll notice right here that my microphone is set to NVIDIA RTXVoice. Now, if I turn it off here, of course, you're going to hear the air conditioners and stuff. And they're going full blast. Let me switch over to this other screen so you can see what I'm talking about. You can see my tablecloth moving from the air conditioner hitting it. But anyway, you may or may not be hearing some artifacting in the audio and little pops and crackles and stuff. I have had that happen a few different times. Another thing that'll cause that is if you have it enabled here. Now you shouldn't be hearing any of the air conditioner. But say you have it over in your software, you have your microphone itself selected, and you're going to hear a little pop, audio drop out, and everything else. The minute I click apply here, and you should again be hearing the air conditioners. But that setting will also cause artifacting and crackling and popping from time to time. It may not be doing it today, but I have noticed it. So if you have the app enabled over here, you need to have it selected as your source in your streaming software or whatever software that you're using. And of course, the slider, you should be hearing the air conditioners and all the background noise. And somewhere about here is going to remove it. I'm just guessing because I'm not monitoring in my headphones and stuff. I like to just leave it at 100%. But I have not noticed any significant tonal quality changes in the sound of my audio, of my voice, using that app. And that's why I like it. It just works. I've tried, we might as well discover a little bit of XSplit's, what's in their PTR. And I'm going to bring that up. We've talked about this in other videos. In the public test release of XSplit, they have noise suppression, a noise gate, an equalizer, compressor. Oh, I don't know why my mouse ain't working right. It's getting time to buy a new mouse. But anyway, it does have a noise gate, equalizer, and a compressor and noise suppression. But just like every other application that I've tried that has built-in tools, while it works to some extent, it's always left me unhappy. And I think we'll just do a demonstration right now. Give me a second. I want y'all to see what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and put this back the way I had it. Okay, now you should be hearing the air conditioners and stuff again. And here's the problem I run into in OBS or XSplit, any vMix. You're going to hear that gate open and close, and I notice it especially on a good high-end set of speakers. You can hear it. You can hear it. No matter where you set it, you can hear it. The noise suppression just doesn't work right. So anyway, that's with the noise gate off. That's with the noise gate on. We're going to try the noise suppression. And using this particular program, I have heard a significant tonal change in my voice. I'm hearing the gate open and close. I just haven't been real happy with how it sounds. Now, I'm not monitoring it today because I'm wearing my hat and my glasses, and it doesn't work well with headphones. So we're going to turn all that off, and we are going to re-enable the RTXVoice. And I've been switching back and forth here like crazy, so let's go ahead and enable it. And there you go. It just works. So anyway, this is my there'll be a link in the bottom of this video just showing you that it's going to take you to the video that shows you how to get RTXVoice to work on a GTX system. And in that video, there'll be a link to where you can download the app. So I'm just going to share that video, and you can get all the information over there on how to walk through and set this up, or install it and make it work. And it's well worth the effort for those of you that are in the same boat that I am, with a lot of background noise and just been struggling to find a decent way to remove it without ruining your audio. So until next time, this is Vitali here at Red Barn Productions. Y'all be safe. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have an awesome week. And I'm out of here.